Guess who? Don't spare me not on the old prairie, where the hungry wolf can grill me in a shady spot by a pepper tree. Welcome to Rigor Mortis, the original one-hearse town. Wanted, dead or alive, Buzz Buzzard.
Hold it, boys, hold it. As your newly elected sheriff, I intend to run this here Buzz Buzzard clean out of the county.
Oh, yeah? Well, you better start a running, Sheriff.
It's a buzzer.
Now let's see. My first shot was in the rough. Back on the fairway in 2. Over the green in 3. Back on in 4. And took 2 putts. For a 6. This course is a-getting tougher all the time.
But they're not on the prairie. Sheriff wanted. Pensions paid promptly to widows. Well, I came along just in the nick of time. Now, where's this guy they call Buzz Buzzard? When I get my hands on that buzzard, I'll tear out his gizzards. Uh-oh.
Now then, which gizzard was you gonna tear out of what buzzard? Hold it, don't nobody move. Me and the new sheriff's gonna have a drink together. Ain't we, Sheriff? What'll you have, Shorty?
I'm a-having red-eye. What's yours?
Make mine red eye too. Oh. Well, Sheriff, get drinking. You better draw, Sheriff, 'cause I'm a-coming to get you.
buzz, old boy. You can do it. Keep up the old fight.
Going up?
Going down.